Hello friends and fellow hype beasts, I hope you're all having a wonderful day. We're celebrating Friendsmas right now. Yeah. We're off to the wonderful Wizard of Oz. I don't know where the f I was going when I started that.
Thought it was the keg we're going to, but
we are going to the keg. We're going to celebrate Friendsmas and eat some food, but you know, before we got food, we needed to open some presents. So you can go back to the studio. You can go back to the studio and see the presents, okay? Okay, let's see you there. It's Christmas time!
Yeah.
Present time. Okay, that one's yours.
Oh,
yeah.
nice. I like that bag.
Yeah, you can check.
Do I get to keep the bag?
No, it's okay.
Okay, never mind. Had a feeling.
We aren't that rich.
It's a nice Balenciaga dust bag. I get to keep that one too?
Yes, maybe.
Maybe, yeah.
Depends what's inside. I get to keep the packaging for whatever brand the actual item is.
It's not gonna be any of these brands. It's not gonna be Louis or Balenciaga.
That's crazy.
That's insane.
Oh, that's wild.
Okay.
You show the camera with the next
We're on to Gucci now. I had a feeling he was gonna do something like this too. Tissue paper. Oh.
For your
That's green. Oh.
Oh.
Oh. It's an off-white.
It's an off-white.
Oh. It is an off-white. You're gonna have to bleep that out. And Star Wars gift card.
Yeah, to from and no money.
To from with no money.
It's just the
It's just a card, man. Okay, we're
anything to put on.
Thanks.
That's sweet.
You know what? I literally came from the Apple store today,
Really?
and they would not replace my case.
Oh, well that's
So I was
good.
like,
You got
how
a new
convenient.
case.
Yes. Thanks, guys.
Thank you
No, what?
for your enthusiasm.
No problem.
Really?
Just you broke it.
Chalk.
I had a bunch
Is this from my bedroom?
No, this is from mine.
Chalk for the chalk wall. I mean, that's useful. Oh, that was actually insane.
That's cool.
Okay. Tumbler straws.
You can finally save
I love how
turtles.
like open. I feel like you're the management team.
I put it in the smallest bag for you. Yeah, why would you? I was gonna reuse that
Hey, you
bag.
still can.
Got paid.
You can't bring stuff here and not expect it to get destroyed.
No, that's actually true though.
Don't beg me to.
That's a different situation, okay? Craft coffee brewer kit.
Yes. So you tell us all the time you want to save money.
Yeah. Well,
So I got your fucking
Damn.
cold brew kit.
thank you.
Yes. Here's your own $20 Starbucks gift card.
Is this the one that I just gave you?
No, yours is right there.
Oh, I thought it was the same.
No.
Oddly light.
This is oddly wrapped.
I'm not a very good rapper, okay?
Lots of nice Kenzo socks.
Yes.
Go along with my.
Yes, you can show the camera.
Oh yeah.
Or you can watch the Hypebeast Holiday Gift Guide that went up Thursday on one of... I think the eye's up here. I'm going with this. Watch that video too.
What?
You are literally a cat.
Oh, Saturdays? The Saturday shirt. Oh, is it as comfy as the other one?
Yeah, I think so.
Put it on?
Yeah, I don't care. No! You're not allowed to put your gift on. I think that's like the exact same thing we got you for Christmas last year.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, I remember this.
That's why I thought it was funny.
For a second, I was all like, did I get deja vu?
Some good beer right there. Yes, I love it. Best gift and everything.
Oh, yes. Ow.
Sorry.
Okay, now we cut back to the car. Oh, wait. Actually, there's one more gift. There's one more gift for Lace. What could it be? I don't know. Could it be
it's a
this?
puppy.
Could it be that?
Oh, yes.
What could it be?
Michael, can you open it?
No. My hands are full. So like,
You expect me to drink this?
take a knee. Take a knee in front of the camera.
Move the
It's gonna be a long ass thing.
I'm talking the entire thing.
I literally saw that in the liquor store.
Hey, keep her going.
There's so much carbonation in it.
Okay, now let's go back to the car. It's a pretty good gift exchange this year. You know, we got cold brew so they can fuel my cold brew addiction. So blame it on them if I have a heart attack because of too much caffeine.
You know what? I can blame that on you.
Can you? We all did pretty good this year, honestly.
Yeah,
Lace
like
got, Lace got like the same thing that we got him last year.
Yes, literally the exact.
Kenzo socks on the Saturday.
I feel like I'm just so hard to buy for. Like you don't know what I want.
I don't know. I just.
I
tell
feel
you
like
what you want, kind
you're
of.
pretty easy to buy
Yeah,
for.
you are very. You just like everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, you
I like
really don't
anything
hate
that anybody
anything.
gives
Yeah,
me.
literally.
I'm very appreciative.
Yeah.
But I'm very hungry.
Me
So-
too. I didn't eat all day for this.
Let's get some food.
Oh my god, let's get it.
Okay.
Wanna split it?
No, it's okay.
You wanna do Lady in the Tramp style right now?
I'm alright. Thanks though.
Are you sure? You shared it. Guys really balled out tonight, eh?
How's your French fries? I'm just kidding. I really want one French fry to be honest with you. Can I have one?
No.
Alrighty then.
Funny story. I think I left it at home, guys, so. Thank you, my kind sir.
This is mine.
How do you drink it? Do you peel it off?
No, what?
Come up to see
Ivy's
Bruce and
during
Craig in the
Friendsmas.
truck and then
That's the end of today's video. We hope you enjoyed. Ivy's doing the outro. Oh, Ivy doesn't want to be doing the outro anymore. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, oh, what is happening? You're glowing over there. If you did, make sure to like,
I'm always glowing.
It's Jeremy's birthday.
What do I-
subscribe.
what happens
subscribe.
Alright.
We'll catch you in the next one. Where's Brewster?
Peace.
Say bye.
No, no.